Have you ever had a hard time making a business decision, whether to do A or B, and then once you've decided, you struggle with worrying about whether or not you made the right decision? And then you sit on the sidelines waiting for that perfect sign, that moment before you take action. Well, today I'm going to introduce you to your new best friend, determined decisions. And then I'm going to share with you the key to making determined decisions that will get you taking action and getting results. I'm Kim Nagle, keynote speaker, business coach, and author of The Damn Plan, How to Find Freedom, Love, and Money in Your Business. For real, actionable, no excuses business advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Tuesday. So let me introduce you to my little friend, determined decisions. Determined decision is the D in the damn plan. Then it's A for act consistently, M for mind your business, and N for no excuses. D-A-M-N, damn. Today we are focused on the D for determined decisions. And yes, I made it up. I had to, because there are just some times when you need special words, extra words to express your true feelings. To get a handle on your decision making, let's start with what makes deciding so damn hard in the first place. Decide means to choose or to cut off or give up other options. Decide also implies that you've given the matter a fair amount of consideration and that you may be waffling between more than one solution. This can be a problem on so many levels. Opportunities come at us every day from every direction. Social media ads throw them at us like confetti. Then there is comparing your decisions with how others have decided. Are you right or are they right? If you decide on A, you must give up B. And what if you're wrong? Well, then factor in the whole emotional side of having to give up B for A. You like them both and don't want to choose, but you must. It's the fear of missing out in action. And too many entrepreneurs keep saying yes to everything, unable to choose and let the rest go. Been there, done that, got the t-shirt and the beer glass. This is why I added determined to decisions. I knew that I had to be all in or nothing. To be determined is to make up your mind conclusively with authority and responsibility for your decisions. No waffling, no worrying. By eliminating distracting opportunities, then and only then can you allocate time, money, and talent to your highest priority activities. So here's the key to making up your mind and taking authority for your decisions. Make determined decisions by the numbers. Use financial data, facts, and reality to choose the best option, not feelings. Let me repeat that decisions must be based on financial fact, not feelings. I know this can be tough because you love what you do and you love your products and service and you love your clients. If you've been self-employed for a while, even a short while, you may be able to relate to falling in love with your products, services, or clients. You're not alone. You're part of a group that are out there changing the world, and it can be messy. We love what we do, and that is why we are in business. But let me ask you a couple simple questions. If you knew for certain, with your financial data in front of you, that a product you love was actually losing you money every time you sold it, would you continue to sell it? If you knew for certain, with your financial data in front of you, that a client you love was actually costing you money every time you worked with them, would you continue to serve their needs at the same fee? If you knew for certain with your financial data in front of you that the direction you are headed is not paying off, would you continue? These are tough questions, I know, because there's so much love and emotional attachment. Business is personal. I so get that. But business is also business, and in order to survive, you must be making money and controlling your expenses. There is just no other way. And this is why the damn plan is built on determined decisions based on numbers, your financial truth, starting with your personal budget and what you need to earn, then factoring in the business operating costs and your fee and structure. When you validate your decisions with financial facts and the reality of your business, you gain the confidence you need to be resolved and act, and then you will achieve your goals. But my personal favorite part of the damn plan way of doing business is that knowing your numbers and making decisions accordingly gives you a damn attitude. An attitude that's confident, relentless, and strong, and not held back by worry. In my Cash Flow with Confidence 2-part video series, I will be sharing more about making determined decisions by the numbers with cash flow projections and analysis. We will also be talking about analyzing your pricing and setting fee structures that will attract those high-value clients. One of the biggest determined decisions you might have to make is to play to your strengths. So watch this video for now to learn more about playing to your strengths. And if you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. And thanks for watching, and have a good damn day.